Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Zoho Writer tutorial how to add page. So if you want to add page in Zoho, you can click the triple line icon in the top left and then move into insert tab. Now we can go to the bottom in section and page and you can add new page by using this blank page. Or the other option, you can use the brick tools. There are the options for bricks. You can use page brick, column bricks, and section bricks. As example, I will use the blank page. You can click here, the blank page, and it will be create the new page. Together, you also can like set by using page brick, and we create again another page with this page brick. Okay, that's it for basic Zoho tutorial, how to add page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.